In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a site title on Squarespace. To get started, log into your Squarespace dashboard and choose the website you want to edit. Once you are inside the correct site, look for the Edit button in the top left corner of the page preview and click it. This opens the editing view, where you can make changes directly to the look and content of your site. After that, move your mouse to the top global header area of your website. This is the main header section that appears across your site and usually contains your branding and navigation. When you hover over that area, you will see an option to edit the site header. Click Edit Site Header to open the header settings. Now find the current temporary title or any placeholder text that is showing in the header. Click on that text. This will open a menu panel with more options related to your branding. In that panel, select Site Title and Logo. This is the section where Squarespace lets you control how your site name appears in the header. Once you are in the right section, look for the Site Title text field. Click into that field and type the name you want your website visitors to see. Make sure the title is entered exactly the way you want it displayed, since this is an important part of your site identity and helps visitors recognize your brand clearly. When you are happy with the title, go to the top left corner of the editor and click Done. This confirms the change inside the header editor. After that, click Save to apply the update to your website. Saving is important because your new site title will not appear publicly until the change is saved. If you want, take a quick moment to review the header after saving so you can confirm that the title looks correct and fits nicely in the space provided. This can help you catch small formatting issues before you move on. That is all you need to do to add a site title on Squarespace. That covers everything you need to know.